Yes.
Go
right here. Have people been walking on this thing?
So they're gonna walk up here. So you guys know how this goes, right? It's like you guys are gonna walk up the swing carefully, come up, high touch, and exit the other way.
Can I ask why there are footprints on this table? I'm kind of getting scared.
There are footprints on this table.
I'm a little scared. Why are there footprints?
Guys, this is not a path. Don't jump on the table. Yeah?
Oh my goodness.
Don't scare her like that.
It's kind of scary. But we're safe, right? Okay.
Yeah, we'll be fine. I'm pretty sure. All right.
Woo.
Ready? We're gonna get started. Let's go.